Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci System. In front of you, critical preparation for your trade. Hours and days in advance, you knew that this is your key support, this is your key resistance. So in case you missed the events in the trading room in the last 2 days, this been your key trading range that with your brilliant effort, you identified hours and days in advance. Software running on your left, market in pain, oil news is next. Software showing you this is your trading range. Price is stuck, price been stuck at this key support for the last hour. But buyers are weak, single glimpse is all intelligent trader needs. Pure price is all that matters. Market stuck in chop, and if prices sleep until oil news, there is no surprise. Price remains frozen 99% before oil news. Oil news impacting S&P highly. Chop is on, day trading support remains intact. Price is stuck. Every single day intelligent trader understands whatever you do today you will do more of tomorrow. So exercise and train your brilliant brain, knowing quite well this is your key support. There is absolutely no shorts anywhere near this level. Your only option to buy from this level. What is the problem? Buyers are weak, extremely weak. So if I convert this chart to 5, this is a market. If you miss the events in the trading room, we use this days ahead. This is the power of the system. Unfortunately, only weakness is present, nothing else. So if you decide to short near this level, it's you driving through bright red light at 150 miles an hour. It's not a brilliant thing to do. You will never succeed long term. For the previous 2 days, this is where price skyrocketed from. So if this is 20% bearish pullback, and if price would move through this level, intelligent trader has zero interest in bait. Intelligent trader has zero interest in junky trade. Intelligent trader never chases the markets. Intelligent trader never speculates. This morning it's black and white. This is your key support. Buyers will step in with power. Rules are met, take a trade. Zero interest in 20% and less on short. That's it. And that's the market before oil news. So when price reaches historical high and on institutional chart price stuck here for the last 3 weeks, there is no surprise. Intelligent trader understands sell-off and crash is a gift. Bearish news is a beautiful thing. This is institutional support, but this is a support that's critical and will define markets for years to come. This was day traders' dream when institutions were buying the market with vengeance. This is exact same level this morning. Identical level on day trading chart. This is exact same level where institutions been buying the market for the last 2 days. So price pulling back lower, it's a gift. But shorting near, not an option. Software running on the left. Intelligent trader enjoying coffee, preparing for oil news. And here comes very powerful reminder. This is purity and simplicity of the system. Can you obey the green light? Can you conquer your desire to short? That's it. Bullish weakness remains intact. Bullish support remains present. There is no powerful buyers. It's ultimate chop. That's it. Doesn't matter what chart you trade. You remain confident, you remain firm. When bold green line is present, that's the only option. You're long. Absolutely no short anywhere near this level on any chart you choose to trade. And that's the reason system traded globally, because it's black and white. Green means your only option to buy from. Never, ever, ever to short near. And when rules are met, intelligent trader would take a trade. This is a key preparation for your trade each and every morning. This is simplicity and purity of the system, no matter what chart you trade. This is a system with a software. No surprise where price keeps reversing from. Target RZ. Buyers remain weak. Price is stuck. So this bold green line prior to oil news holding the key. This is critical day trading support. So if you jumped on the short, you are absolutely out right now. This is key moment in your trading. Critical. If price crashes through this level, that's final 10%. That's it. Key moment in front of you. Do not short into. Get out of your short. That's the key. When the bold green line is present, exit your short. Monitor for long. That's the only option. So as of right now, trading room is closing. Today is the last day. Trading room may not reopen until 2022. We are off to annual trading bootcamp. Only one space actually left. And if you click on details here, you will see the schedule and details. Again, bootcamp will be recorded. We have students from Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Australia, France, Russia in a bootcamp. We have students from Ohio, Cleveland, from Florida, New York. So you can view videos 24/7. You do not have to attend bootcamp. We have students in Uganda who will be only viewing videos. So when you look on the hours and on schedule and you cannot attend, as we are opening up in a bootcamp room only at 9:15 EST on Monday, on average 3 hours per day, you will learn how to trade as hedge fund traders do. You will learn what matters in the market, you will learn the power, you will learn the weakness, and I will answer and discuss any instrument students wish. When market in pain, we will be focusing on optimizing your brain. Because that's what hedge fund traders do. They get paid to optimize their brain. Because if your brain optimized, your mindset functioning drastically better. Your trading becomes consistent, solid, pain-free. If you are a graduate of the course, please contact me. And again, if you discovered this video and bootcamp already started, it's not a problem. You can view bootcamp video library. That's it. One space left. You joining us. Bootcamp included in each one of these packages. So, every single package includes video library, live classes, and trading bootcamp. This bootcamp will never, ever, ever repeat. Every year I teach a bootcamp. Every year I choose a different topic. It's additional package included to new student. That's it. So when price keeps reversing and being stuck at this level, intelligent trader not surprised. This is your stress-free, consistent trading. That's it. This is how Bitcoin, Ethereum, oil, gold traders trade. Pure price. Market stuck in pain. Key support remains obeyed. Oil news is next. So here we go, traders. Absolutely no surprise, all precise. Intelligent trader remained firm. Intelligent trader was extremely clear well before market open that we are at critical alpha Fibonacci support. There is absolutely no short at bold green level. So here we go. Price skyrocketing with the software in front of you. Intelligent trader knows this clearly. There is no speculation, ultimate precision only. That's it. Right now with the software, this is your key target. Intelligent trader taking profits off the table, moving stop outside of this level. This is expected. This is response in front of you. This is how pure system is, which you can trade on any instrument you choose. Again, every single minute in a bootcamp, on average 3 hours per day, I will drill you and coach you as I do with JP Morgan traders. Exact same thing. You can trade stocks, you can trade futures, you can trade Forex, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade anything you choose. Pure price for entry, precise, predictive, alpha Fibonacci for exits in front of you. Is anyone surprised that price collapses completely? Should not be. We knew this before it played out. It's black and white. No speculation, no random entry, no random targets. That's it. You decide what you want to trade. So again, here's Ethereum weekly. We have students who are trading Ethereum weekly. Key level in front of you, this chart been present in the trading room for months. Identical level as you saw on S&P. So if I take you right now down to Ethereum daily, this is a system in front of you. This is Ethereum at exact same level for the last 6 months. Again, this is S&P, your key preparation, your key trading chart. Identical level in a play on any time frame you choose to trade. We remained firm. We remained unwavered. This is your key alpha Fibonacci support. That's it. Ultimate precision on any chart you choose to trade. Oil news is next. Key moment in front of you right now on any and every chart. All identified in advance. So if I bring up to your attention oil, here's the system on oil. Oil news is next, and you will see how critical this moment is. If I take you back on oil, let's take oil 6 months ago, in case you missed the events in this trading room. March 2020. This is oil. Here. One step at a time, all precise. You know, many months in advance, that with high 80% success rate, oil would crash from this level. And that's exactly what oil done. But do not forget what played out before. one step at a time. No speculation, only ultimate bullish rally progression. Here's August 2021. This support holding the key on oil. Day trader's dream. This is a trading range for months. You decide what you want to trade, what time frame. Choice is yours. Oil sold off from historical high, identified many months in advance. Prior to the oil news, we identify this is your key support on oil. I have not touched this chart in weeks. Do you remember the importance of this level? On S&P this morning, it's identical level. Identical. Charts are twins. This is day trader's dream, ultimate low. Prior to oil news this morning, oil is not at ultimate low. This is your trading range. This is your key resistance. If price crashes through this level, this is day trader's dream. This is where you want to be. So again, exact same thing as on S&P. We discussed this is key support. This is key support on oil. Oil been stuck here for the last 12-15 hours. If I convert this chart to 5, this is oil prior to the news. Oil been here for the last 24 hours. No matter how bearish the news is, you are not shorting near. This is your trading range. Trading range extremely limited on oil prior to oil news. Expect major chop. We need the crash. We need extremely bearish news. This will be a gift. If not, oil comes out with a bullish news. You have day trading support in front of you. You decide to buy prior to this level. You exited your long, moving your stop well outside of break even. Price is stuck in ultimate chop. That's it. But if I take you to Apple, it's exact same thing. Apple reached historical high. This flawless bullish rally reminds you time and time again. Do you see crisis on this chart? If the answer is not, join in the bootcamp, and you will take advantage of the next crisis. You will think and trade as JP Morgan traders do. I coach you exact same thing. I don't know anything less. So if I take you back on Apple, all the way to May 2021, day trading not your cup of tea. Use everything for long-term positions. If not, use everything for day trading entries. Key support on Apple in the month of May. Apple kept selling off from reversal zone. This level was holding the key. You are never shorting near this level. Identical thing on Ethereum, on oil, on S&P. Price exactly the same everywhere. Identical. Risk management is the difference. That's it. Historical high on Apple this morning. Historical high on S&P. Historical high on oil. Markets at critical juncture. And that's preparation for oil news. Next. So if you can trade one chart, you can trade them all. This is 3-minute S&P. This is 10-minute S&P. Look at this chart and understand. Charts are twins with oil. Twins. I'm converting this chart to one prior to oil news. I have not touched this chart in weeks. That's it. This is your brilliant mind, your brilliant effort, your brilliant preparation for oil news. Oil inventories moving forward today on November 24th. Expectation forecast minus 1.7. Anything above this number is a bearish news. We don't need oversupply, we need undersupply. Undersupply is a bullish news. Oil news in reverse of any other news. We will pay attention to this chart well before oil news. Identical chart as on S&P. Charts are twins on every single time frame. That's it. So just to let you know, I will be in the Middle East. I will be in Dubai meeting with students. Mustafa's last week working for someone, quitting his job trading Alpha Fibonacci System with oil stocks. So again, we've been here the entire morning. We remained firm. We identified days in advance that this is key Alpha Fibonacci support, not the place to short. It doesn't matter what chart you trade, it's black and white. Charts with S&P and oil prior to oil news are twins. This is your trading range. This is your brick wall as resistance. This is your key support. No matter what the news is, you remain firm, absolutely clear. With a highest 80% probability, price will pull back from here. With the highest 80% probability, buyers will step in from here. Prior to the oil news, buyers in charge. What is the problem? Price at resistance. Price is not at support. And that's the market, and that's Alpha Fibonacci system 2 minutes prior to oil news. Here we go. Did we know that this would be a problem before oil news? Of course. Oil news is out. We have no idea what the news is, but we know extremely clear. This level presenting a problem. This level is a brick wall. And that remains the key. Oil news is negative, we're at brick wall, traders. Oil news is negative. That's it. Price is stuck, sellers are worthless. This is your brick wall. Black and white, it's simple. This is a critical chart, you will master this in a bootcamp. Single glimpse is all you need to know. Price at day trading resistance, but buyers remain fully in charge. Pulling random short right now is not a brilliant thing to do. Obeying the rules, it is. And that remains the key, and that's strategic Alpha Fibonacci chess. Price at day trading resistance, but there is no sellers. So in closing, to remind you, this is the software this morning that's shown you clearly. Bullish push, overextended, price stuck at critical brick wall. There is nothing else that's possible this morning, only this, after market open. Now price stuck at critical resistance, key resistance. But what does the intelligent trader knows by looking at this chart? Sellers are weak, extremely weak. What else is important? This is institutional buy zone, and we will discuss this with students next. So when oil will start pulling back, no one should be surprised. That's it. Not the place to buy oil. Not. What is the problem? Sellers are weak. Zero reason to pull a trigger randomly on short. Zero. Your only intelligent option to separate strength from weakness. It's an ultimate weakness on oil. It's an ultimate weakness on S&P. And if this remains, intelligent trader is done. It's exact same thing on Apple. It's exact same thing on Bitcoin. It's exact same thing on gold. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. Software or not. Here comes the power. It's a beautiful thing when you obey the rules. That's it. We need drastically more powerful pullback. Every single move, very expected. What is the shocking part? This support been intact for many days. And that's a critical moment on oil next. Again, I have not touched this chart in many days and weeks. This will be million times better than this. And that's what we're discussing in a bootcamp. And that's how you trade each and every day, obeying your trading range. Sellers are weak. Prices stuck. Powerful selling pressure is the key. That's it. Can you do this? So next month I'm meeting students in New York and Middle East. After that I'm off to Europe. This is Dominic, son of hedge fund manager who had done this after last bootcamp. Andy brought his son to the course. Andy trading system long term. Dominic day trading the system. Price remains exactly the same on any instrument. But Steve, my dearest friend for life, emergency room doctor in Texas, trading it all. He exited Bitcoin before the crash, but he's also trading metals and stocks. So he's trading options. Every single trader, different account. But this is one of my favorite emails. This is what Richard has done after last bootcamp, as he shares extensively on our podcast channel. Bootcamp last year, he did not sit and stare at the screen. He practiced every single day. He doubled his demo in a couple of weeks. And then he started trading live. Retired physical therapist, making quadruple than what he was making as retired physical therapist. But every single day he practiced. Hand-holding is not recipe for success. Your practice is. So if you come to the website, please review all the information for you. Please listen to the podcast from Richard, from Dominic, from all the other traders. Brad is taking bootcamp number 7 or number 8. Brad does not need bootcamp. This is what Brad had done in the month of September. But as many graduates sign up for all the bootcamps I will ever teach, this is what intelligent trader does. Improving performance each and every day. That's it. You decide how prepared you are for the next crisis. Jennifer, very well prepared. I cannot wait for the bootcamp. I hope you're joining us next. That's it. Have a spectacular Thanksgiving holiday. And understand, when you sign up for any and every package, bootcamp is included. Students in Middle East, in Europe, in Australia can view videos 24/7. You do not have to attend bootcamp. Bootcamp video library will be available to you. Modules, live classes every single day. All the details here. That's it. When market is asleep, after you master how to trade like a hedge fund trader, I will teach you how to optimize your brain, how to detox, how to live a proactive, healthy life with your optimized brain, which leads to optimized mindset, optimized trading. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. Again, this bootcamp will never repeat again. This is a life-changing event. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, for spectacular day, for spectacular week. Happy Thanksgiving to all. And again, and again, and again. You can become another Richard. You simply have to make an effort. If Dominic can do this, so can you. Oil remains stuck. There is no surprise. Sellers are weak. And if we go to S&P, it's exact same thing. We knew this in advance.